Hello, I'm Neil, and the new thing we are trying is this Meaco Arete One dehumidifier. It is absolutely magnificent. We've had this for about a month now, and it has taken so much water out of the air. It really feels like it's drying the actual building out. You might have this problem too. We have really bad patches of mold in our house. There's some footage of me cleaning up the latest batch. But since getting this Meaco dehumidifier, the air feels drier. The whole place feels warmer all the time without that damp air lingering around. I paid for this with my own money. I actually bought this. So this is an honest review. I've made a full review of the Meaco Arete One dehumidifier. There's a link down in the description. This is the unboxing, the first impressions review, so you can see what this looks like straight out of the box. We saw it purely by chance in our nearest Costco. The Meaco dehumidifiers were all sold out last year. We saw it on the shelves and money is really tight right now, but I don't think we could face another year of cleaning mold off our coats and walls. So what else could we do? Well, I did not think we'd pick up a humidifier today, a dehumidifier.
We came in for some lemons.
Let's open up this bad boy. This is the Meaco Dry Arete One, or is it Arete One? Arete Petite. And Meaco have called their brand Meaco Dry, which I've not heard of before, but I love this. Excellence in all things. They've even given themselves a Japanese style overblown sentence of mission statement. Because this is actually made in the UK. Well, no, it's not made, it's designed in the UK, it's made somewhere else, but we've got a nice Union Jack there. Let me give you a quick spin around the box so you can see exactly how the Arete One 18 litre dehumidifier arrives. Let's open up this bad boy dehumidifier and see how the Meaco Arete One comes straight out of the box. The box is quite stylish, isn't it? It feels quite heavy, quite substantial. I'll put the weight of this particular unit on screen now. Here we go. So lots of plastic wrapping. Hello, future Neil. I know this is how we used to live. We're in the UK, so obviously it comes with a UK plug. And there is a pack of, oh look, there's a filter that comes with it. We'll have a look at that. It says it's a free HEPA filter, and then there's a bag of instructions. It's quite nicely presented, but oh Meaco, come on, how big is that text? That must be only 10-point text. It wouldn't kill you to make the instructions bigger, would it? The sides are taped up so that they don't fall off, so we'll pull these bits of tape off for our first impressions unboxing. And then at the top there's a sign here. The handle is below this label. Please lift the handle by pulling upwards with one hand each end. Which means I can demonstrate it with one hand because I'm holding the camera. You kind of lift each one at the same time, and that's your carry handle there. That's quite sleek, isn't it? Oh, I'm not sure I'd want to lift it though, but so that's a nice touch. And then we have the control panel, which is flush and all wipe clean. If I use the handle to tilt it up slightly, you can see the roller casters underneath. I don't want to lay it down because I don't want to scratch it, but there are 4 casters, so it should glide across most floors. Let's turn it around. This looks like a really well-built, substantial unit. I really like how it comes out of the box. It looks good. Right, here's the, I guess this is the bin, is it, for catching the liquid. And helpfully there's a circuit diagram in there. That's very, that's very thorough, isn't it? I won't be consulting that. The power cable, the cord, let's get that out, show you how long that is. It looks like it's about 2 meters. Yeah, I'd say it's about 2 meters long. Very generous. And there's this cord storage thing that you can wrap the cable around when you are storing the dehumidifier. At the back, oh, this slides out. Oh, look at that. So I guess this is the element. I've opened up the HEPA filter and I'm going to put this into, I guess this is the filter holder. I haven't read the instructions yet, but I'll put it on screen if this is wrong. And then you slide this in, I guess. There's only one right way to do this, and that clicks. So the filter is held in place. Let me read some of the features that are on the box here. There's a user-friendly display, one-touch ease of use, contemporary controls. It's sleek and unobtrusive. The side air intake allows the dehumidifier to sit discreetly against the wall. It looks like Eva from Wall-E to me. You can easily clean the filter from the side without moving the unit. There's a cable tidy to keep wires out of the way and tangle free. A hidden handle for sleek lines along the top. There's a large window which lets you see the water level really clearly. Water can be emptied from both the left and right hand sides. Oversized ergonomic handles make it easy to remove the water bucket. And casters underneath are hidden behind feet that help the dehumidifier blend into any room. We have had this Meaco Arete One dehumidifier and air purifier for over a month now, and we absolutely love it. For us, we're not rich, and this seems like an insane amount of money to spend on anything, let alone something that sucks water out of the air. I can say without doubt, this is the best thing we have bought this year. The place just smells better, and it might be in our heads, but our home definitely feels less damp. I'd even go so far as saying this is the best dehumidifier that we can find right now. I cannot recommend the Meaco Arete One dehumidifier more highly. It's fantastic, and if you want to see it on Amazon, there are links in the description. I am calling this a Dad Delivers success. Say hi in the comments down below, it'd be lovely to hear from you, and thank you for hitting the thumbs up or the subscribe button. It really helps me to keep this channel going, and right here is what YouTube knows you are going to love watching next.